Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that pesky Shopify page not found error. It's a really common issue, and it can be so frustrating, especially if you're trying to get your store seen on Google and keep customers happy. By the end of this video, you'll know a simple step-by-step process to resolve this error, including how to optimize your store's homepage title for both visitors and search engines. So let's jump right in and get your Shopify site working the way it should. First, we're going straight to the Shopify admin panel. If you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on Online Store. That's where all the magic happens when it comes to your store's settings. Now, under Online Store, you'll see the Preferences option. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a second to load, but don't worry. This part is important because this page controls how your store looks and appears online. Once you're in Preferences, you'll notice a section called Social Sharing Image and SEO. Now, this might sound a little technical, but really, it's just where you set your homepage's title and description, the little snippet people see in search results and social shares. If you're seeing the page not found message, often there's simply a mistake here, like a missing or broken title. Or maybe your title isn't what you want it to be for search engines, which can also cause indexing problems. So, take a close look at the homepage title box. Is there something off about it? Maybe there's a typo, irrelevant words, or it just doesn't sound professional or descriptive of your actual store. If so, go ahead and update it. You want to pick a title that not only tells visitors what your site is about, but also uses keywords people might actually search for. Think of it like naming a book on a shelf. The title needs to draw people in and tell them exactly what they're getting. If your store sells handmade candles, for example, something like Bright Glow Candles, handcrafted soy candles, and home fragrance would be perfect. This makes your store more attractive for both users and search engines. Once you're happy with the new title, remember to save your changes. Shopify won't update it automatically. Now for the next step. Let's make sure the new title is working the way it should. For this, we're heading over to Google Search Console. If you haven't used Search Console before, it's a free tool from Google that helps you see how your website appears in search results and spot any technical issues. Log into your Search Console account, then look for your store's URL in the dashboard. Within Search Console, you can check the current homepage title by entering your site's address into the URL inspection tool. This will show you exactly how Google sees your homepage, including the title you just updated. If everything matches up, great. That means your changes are active and Google can properly index your page. If it still shows the old title, don't panic. Sometimes it can take a few days for Google to refresh what it shows. You can use the Request Indexing option to speed up the process a little. And that's it. You've fixed the Shopify page not found issue. And you've also made your store more search-friendly. Sometimes these kinds of fixes seem intimidating, but just a few tweaks can make a huge difference. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and drop your questions below. I respond to as many comments as I can. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.